Welcome to Shanti-Peace for Mathematics. In this video, we are talking about the mapping by z square. This w equal to z square is the simplest polynomial mapping. In polar coordinates, if you consider w is equal to r e power I pi, and if you consider z is equal to r e raised to I theta, and if you substitute this both values into this equation, we'll have r e power I pi equal to r e power I theta whole square, which gives you r square is equal to e power I theta. So therefore it is r is equal to r square and pi will be 2 theta. Hence the angle will be double. For example, if you want to find out the image of this theta is belongs to 0 to pi by 2. What does it mean? Theta is 0 to pi by 2, that is this portion. This is theta is equal to 0 and theta will be pi by 2 here. So this whole portion will be covered by in z plane, this region, and the image of this region under this transformation w is equal to z square will be due to this. Your pi is now by multiplying 2 into this inequality, we'll have this is 2 theta is less than or equal to pi, which implies 0 is less than or equal to pi less than or equal to pi. That means the images will be whole upper half plane. You have this is your theta is equal to 0 and actually phi equal to 0, and this will be pi equal to pi. So in any case, the area to consider your angle is double in this situation. Let us try to calculate the images of a line. That means suppose we need to calculate what will be the image of x is equal to 1 line under this transformation. So for that I need to calculate what is the real and imaginary part of this function. If you consider w is equal to u plus iv and z is equal to x plus iy, then we can write this is in this form. That will give you u plus iv is equal to u square minus v square plus 2ixy by making a square of this x plus iy. So therefore u is equal to x square minus y square and v will be 2xy. If you put this x is equal to 1 into this equations, you will have u equal to 1 minus y square and v equal to 2y. Now we need to eliminate this y from this equations, so that's why we'll have it is u equal to 1 minus v square by 4 by putting y equal to v by 4 into this equation. So that's why this will give you 4u minus 4, so equal to 4 minus v square. So hence v square is equal to 4 is common out 1 minus v. So that I can write as minus 4 into u minus. Now what is this represent that we need to calculate? You just note that y square is equal to 4ax represent the parabola with the orientation it is onto the axis positive, that means it is of this side. Now x square is equal to 4ay is also represent a parabola. Since here y is positive, it is the orientation on this side. Now y square will be minus 4ax, then the orientation is onto the opposite side, that is your x is negative here. And x square is equal to minus 4ay, so here the orientation is the downward side. Here this is the v square is equal to minus of this and the center of this parabola, so this will represent a parabola, that's fine, and the center of the parabola will be 1, 0, and it is on opposite direction, not in this way, because here this is of the form y square is equal to, it has to be in this way, it has to be in this way. So let us see this. This is the point 1, 0, and so you will have the image of the line x is equal to 1 is this. So here you will have x is equal to 1 line in xy plane. This is your xy plane if I consider. The x is equal to 1 line is here. This is your x is equal to 1 line. Image of this line is this parabola under the transformation w equal to z square. Now in the same manner, if I consider the line x is equal to 2, then what will be the parabola you will have? Then you will have this parabola is passed here. So let us try to draw this figure also. So this is your y-axis and x-axis, and this is your line x is equal to 2. Then the image of this under the transformation w equal to z square into UV plane, you will have these are the two parabolas you will have. For this center is 1 0, here it is 2. Let us try to find out the image of y equal to 1 line. So we have u equal to x square minus y square and v equal to 2xy. Substituting y equal to 1 here, you will have u equal to x square minus 1, v equal to 2x. By eliminating x, we have u equal to v square by 4 minus 1. By putting the value of x here, we'll have this. So now this will be v square equal to 4u plus 4. So that's why it is 4 is common out, u minus of minus 1. Now v square is equal to 4, so that means this square is a positive quantity. So that means here the line, this is your xy plane if I consider, and the line y equal to 1 is here somewhere. The image of that line under the transformation w equal to z square, that is the parabola having the vertex minus 1 comma 0. This is minus 1 comma 0, and it is the orientation as I told you, the y square is on that side, so the orientation will be this. So this is the parabola. So that means what we conclude is, if you have any vertical line, then the z square will transform to figure into this type of vertical, this type of parabolas. And if it is horizontal line, then it is transforming a parabola of this type. So that is the way this w is equal to z square mapping is transformed to the. Let's have the one more example. The question is, find the image of mode of z minus a equal to a under the map w equal to z square. So first of all, what is this represent that you need to calculate? You just note that this is, if you have z is equal to x plus iy, if I consider a as a real number, then this is x minus a square plus y square equal to a, because a is real, because the modulus is a is given to you, that's why a is a real number, it is actually a positive real number. So this is the form you will have. That means this will represent the circle with center a comma 0 and the radius will be p. Now we need to calculate what will be the image of this circle. So since mode of z minus a equal to a, we may write this as z minus a is equal to a into e power I, and that will give you z will be a plus a e power I theta. That is, a is common out 1 plus e power I theta. Now we have map is w equal to z square. So try to calculate what is this w equal to z square. Under the z is this, so we need to calculate what is the image of this one. So let us substitute that value here, that is a square 1 plus e power I theta square. So this is, I can write as a square 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta whole square. Now 1 plus cos theta we can write down as 2 cos square theta by 2 plus I sin theta I can write down as sin theta by 2 times into cos theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta. So that's why we have this. Now just observe that this is a square, 4 is common out, cos square theta by 2 is common out. Here we'll have is cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2 whole square. So that's why we have this is 4a square cos square theta by 2 into e power I theta by 2 whole square, and that will give you 4a square cos square theta by 2 into e power I theta, and that is equal to r e power I phi. Therefore the r is 4a square cos square theta by 2, and this cos square theta by 2 we just write down as 2a square 1 plus cos theta. And since this theta will be phi, so to substitute that value, you will have r is equal to 2a square 1 plus cos phi. This is the image of the circle mod z minus a equal to mod or a. So that is the image. What does this represent? It will represent a cardioid, and it will look like this, that you have done in your SY BSc class. It look like this. This is the cardioid, the image of this circle. What is this circle? Its center is a comma 0. The radius is a. So the image of this circle under the transformation w is equal to z square is this. In this video, we have learned about the function z square, how the function z square behave. So we have seen that if you have a line, the image of the line under this transformation gives you a parabola, and image of a circle with center a comma 0 and radius is a, it gives you a cardioid. And also we have seen that it is a quarter plane, that the theta, the angle will make u double. So that means the images of the quarter plane, that is this portion, will give you half portion. If you consider the half portion, then it will give you a full portion, full plane. So that is the mapping w is equal to z square. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you have any comment, suggestion or a question, please drop down in the comment box below. See you next video. Till then, bye bye.